Welcome to week 3 of the Tarot Challenge to strengthen the major arcana's energy within you. This week we'll integrate the energy of Arcanum 2, the High Priestess, beacon of hidden wisdom and guardian of your soul's deep mysteries. She's the silent force inviting you to trust your intuition and explore your unseen inner depths. Her serenity shows that true power lies not in the obvious, but in what's beyond the surface. Listen to this strengthening daily for a week before moving on to the next arcanum. Will empower you to hear that unfailing inner voice and trust life's natural flow, strengthening you to become a portal to the sacred, to knowledge, guiding you to your truest self. We'll integrate the High Priestess's energy with yours in both directions. We deepen the connection to inner wisdom and intuition. We clear away confusion and doubt blocking your inner voice. We release past energies of ignoring intuition and choosing from insecurity. We align mind, subconscious, and spirit for clear inner knowing. We enhance your balance between conscious and subconscious realms. As the priestess, we remove fears hindering inner world exploration. We clear trauma memories, weakening faith in the unseen yet real. We strengthen ties to hidden knowledge and the unknown's power. We remove any fear-based blocks about uncovering hidden truths in yourself and others. We clear the impact of times you felt disconnected from your inner wisdom or spirituality. We boost patience, allowing knowledge to reach you at the perfect, decisive moment. We enhance your capacity for self-reflection and introspection. We eliminate the tendency to overthink and become paralyzed by analysis. We clear excessive rationalization, helping you trust your intuition and inner guidance. We remove procrastination or indecision hindering your personal and spiritual growth. We strengthen trust in your inner processes, life's journey, and others' paths. We strengthen your bond with sacred femininity in both women and men. We erase weaknesses tied to disconnection from feminine energy. We remove limiting beliefs and fears that make vulnerability seem weak. We boost the energy of receptivity, gentleness, and deep understanding. We enhance your ability to keep secrets and handle knowledge wisely. We clear blocks from fear of disrespect or misinterpretation of your wisdom. We erase the fear of exposure and vulnerability from knowing more than others can see or understand, We strengthen your connection to life's cycles and mysteries. We deepen your bond with nature's rhythms and the great unknown. We remove energies that disconnect you from cycles like pressure from imposed timelines. We boost your ability to flow with universal timing and trust the process. We enhance your power to manifest from the unseen realm. We clear any energy blocks from lack of faith in what you feel but can't see. We empower your manifestations to align and materialize at the perfect moment. We amplify the energy of the hidden, helping you receive insights beyond the obvious. We remove fears of the unseen, opening access to higher wisdom connected to the universe, intuition, and divine energy. We strengthen your emotional and spiritual balance. We clear energy imbalances that hinder inner peace while accessing your intuitive knowledge. We enhance your ability to navigate mundane and spiritual challenges calmly, maintaining your center and confidence. We'll integrate these strengths into your life, allowing the priestess energy to manifest in you with clarity, power, and serenity. We align inner wisdom with daily life for wise, intuitive decisions in harmony with your true self. We connect your wisdom to the depths of your unconscious and to hidden truths. We strengthen your intuition for precise, accurate, and efficient decisions based on inner knowledge beyond logic. We enhance receptivity, patience, and contemplation of this arcane. We boost the ability to observe, wait, and reflect before taking action. To adopt a passive approach for wiser, well-considered, and strategic decisions for your highest good. Will strengthen internal and external dynamics, inner and outer limits of all geometric figures we work with in this enhancement. 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite duration. Will erase all that hinders, limits, delays, or blocks your energy from integrating with this arcane's qualities and abilities. Will ensure everything we integrate and connect works from top to bottom, bottom to top, right to left, left to right, inside out, outside in, back to front and front to back, 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite duration. We erase all weaknesses to zero minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite duration. Strong to reset, recalibrate, and readjust your body, mind, and spirit. How do you feel? Same or different?